Here's how to navigate your iPhone or iPad using VoiceOver. First, turn on VoiceOver, and for that, go to your Settings app, then tap on Accessibility, then choose VoiceOver. Here, turn it on or simply use Siri to turn on VoiceOver. After that, use basic gestures. With VoiceOver turned on, tap once to hear what you've selected, double tap to activate it, and swipe left or right with one finger to move through the screen. Next, try the rotor. Rotate two fingers on the screen like a dial, which will open the rotor, and it lets you change how you navigate by words, characters, headings, and more. Or if you want to learn the gestures safely, go to VoiceOver tutorial. And that's all. With VoiceOver, you can explore your iPhone or iPad using just gestures and audio. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.